mama got hidden up her shirt. I like to play and I like to work, but most of all I like bulldozers and dirt. I met your mom when I was 19. You couldn't have been any more than 3. She caught me stealing y'all's code of TV. She called the cops and they arrested me. She was the wildest thing I'd ever seen. The way she pointed that shotgun at me, the police hauled my ass off to jail. Your mama signed the trailer to help make the bail. She picked me up and drove me home, said I'll learn you not to roam. Green, green grass under my feet, but all I can think about's the dirt underneath. Bulldozers and dirt, bulldozers and dirt. Behind the trailer, my dessert. Them red clay piles are heaven on earth. I get my rocks off bulldozers and dirt. I gotta pick up the stuff on blocks, and I'm up to my ass and getting hot, and I can't get the red stains off of my socks. I can't get you off of my mind. When I lived with your mom for 11 years, through good times and bad times, fist fights and tears, but something comes over me when you come here. So won't you come over and sip on this beer? Bulldozers and dirt, bulldozers and dirt. Behind the trailer, my dessert. I don't mean no harm, I just like to flirt. But most of all, I like bulldozers and dirt. Bulldozers and dirt, bulldozers and dirt. Behind the trailer, my dessert. I don't mean no harm, I just like to flirt. But most of all, I like bulldozers